In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a customer registration form in Shopify. We'll walk through how to enable customer accounts in your Shopify admin, choose the type of sign-in you want your customers to use, and then quickly preview how it all looks on your storefront. By the end, your visitors will be able to create and access their own accounts on your store. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the main admin screen, move your attention to the bottom left corner. Here, you'll see an option called Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a new page with a menu along the left-hand side. In that left panel, look for the option labeled Customer Accounts. Click it to open the Customer Account settings. At the top of this page, you'll see a setting called Show Sign-In Links with a toggle switch next to it. This toggle controls whether customer account links appear on your storefront. Turn this toggle on. As soon as you enable it, you'll see two account types you can choose from. The first option is the newer customer accounts experience. With this, customers sign in using a one-time code sent to their email. They don't need to remember a password, which makes it easier and more secure for many shoppers. This option is generally recommended because it reduces login friction and support requests related to forgotten passwords. The second option is the legacy customer accounts experience. In this setup, customers create an account with an email and password, and they sign in the traditional way using those credentials. You might prefer this if you're used to the classic flow or if you have existing customers already using it. Select the option that best fits your store. Once you've made your choice, your settings are saved, and the account links will be added to your storefront automatically. Now let's quickly check how this looks on your live store. Go back to your main Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, find Online Store. Hover your mouse over it and you'll see an eye icon appear. Click that eye icon to open a preview of your store in a new tab. In the store preview, look at the header area, usually at the top right. You should see a small person or account icon there. Click that icon. This will open the customer account sign-in and create account flow. If you selected the newer customer accounts, you'll see the email one-time code login experience. That's your customer registration form in action.